a good contrast with the creaminess of miso and the umami and the crunchiness of pistachio. Hi, my name is Nicolas. I'm the chef and owner of POPULAIRE Bistro. Today we'll be making spring asparagus, Miso Sabayon, pistachios, and Shiso. Alright, so for our Miso Sabayon, first thing we'll need is all our ingredients. So here we have our miso, dashi, mirin, sugar, and egg yolks. So we're going to put all these together in a bowl, whisk them together, and we'll start cooking it over a double boil. So first we'll have our miso. This dish has a lot of miso in it, looking for that umami and creaminess. Most important part of the dish. Next we have our dashi, mirin, sugar, and egg yolks. Now we have everything in the bowl, we're going to whisk it together. Make it all cohesive. And once it's all together, we're going to bring it over to the heat and start cooking it. Now it's ready to go. So in our pot we have boiling water. This is when we have indirect heat, so we don't scramble egg yolks in there. This is an important process. We're cooking it to a slow, bring our temperature slow, to get a nice creamy sauce. We just want to whisk away for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, we're starting to get a little bit thicker here, which means it's coming up to 10. Just want to put your finger, but we can feel how hot it is. So you know that point, we want to start whisking really good. Keeping that motion going in the bowl. That way we start seeing what I call ribbons in it. You see it starts thickening up, you see when you whisk and leave behind the legs. At that point, we really want to start whisking really good. Starts getting thicker too, you can see it leaves behind the little, you see the bottom of the bowl and start getting thicker. You can see it does draw a line through it and pull it back. Alright, our sauce is good, nice ready for the vegetables. We're going to continue to whisk it until the bowl gets colder, and that way the eggs don't scramble and stick to the bottom of the bowl. There we go, our Miso Sabayon. So make sure you have a hot pan, for cast iron that has high heat content. You can use oil, you can use butter. I'm looking for the butter to turn a little bit brown, so you can focus this flavor on it. When you cook these already in salted water, then it's bubbling up and there's more salt in the miso sauce, so it's got a little black pepper. Now we're going to plate our asparagus Miso Sabayon dish. Put our asparagus down first, and then we're going to grab our miso. Don't be shy with this. This has lots of flavors. This is the highlight of the dish right here. Grab our crunchy toasted pistachios. Don't be shy with these either. Complements the miso. And then we're going to add some lime juice for acid. This is just all about balancing different textures and flavors. There's a nice cream vegetable flavor of asparagus, the acid from the lime, crunchiness from pistachio, and all that umami saltiness from miso. Now we have our baby shiso. Alright, so now I'm enjoying this dish. This is actually the first time I've ever eaten it. In particular, it's all one component. It's very popular here at the restaurant. guests love it. I've never actually had it. Now I see why everybody loves it. It's like tons of crunchy pistachios and the miso is just so good with the greens. And that Miso Sabayon will be good on any green veggies. Brussels sprouts, especially if you're really good with that. I think my favorite part of the dish is the pistachios with the miso. That crunchy nuttiness, that deep flavor of the miso. It's a really easy recipe for you guys to try at home as well. So I use miso in this dish to bring a creaminess and a lot of umami to the asparagus. Right now, it's spring, so asparagus is very sweet. It's at its tenderest, and it's a good contrast with the creaminess of miso and the umami and the crunchiness of pistachio.